As a designer, you must have a passive income. Every designer wants to sell their graphic resources to earn extra money. But this is not easy tasks to approve their design on those passive marketplace like Graphic River and Creative Marketplace. But today I'm gonna show you a marketplace where you can easily approve your design and easily earn passive income. The website is MasterBundles. MasterBundles offers to sell your assets here around the world. Your graphics assets can be sold in bundles on this website. You can also sold in one assets on this websites. You can sell many types of graphics products on this websites, like icons, illustrations, patterns, logos, badges, textures, backgrounds, characters, infographics and lots of things. The most interesting fact is that you can sell various templates on this websites. You can sell presentation templates, social media templates, mock-ups, printable, resumes, UI kits and lots of things. By the way, this website has given every designer a big opportunity to sell their assets on the websites. As a logo designer, I'm going to show you the whole process to approve your logo design on this website. First you need to sign up or registration on this website. This is very easy, everyone can do it with Google or Facebook account or randomly. I ignored its sign-up process. After sign in, go your account, and then select Add Products. You can watch the video for better understanding how to sell your products with MasterBundles. I will also show you how to sell your logo on this websites. So I have to design first a logo for this website. Let's design a logo. Now I will design a easy simple B-letter logo. For that, take rectangle tool, and draw a square. Now make the square equally half. If you cannot make half like that, there is another easy way. Select the square, and go Object. And select Path, and select Split into Grid. And take 2 rows, and click OK. Now select the half square, and take Move tool, and curve one side like that. Copy the half square by hold Alt, and place it middle like that. Now take Ellipse tool, and draw like that. Place circle D in the middle of 2 half square like that. Again copy the circle by hold Alt, and move it little bit right side like that. Okay, that's good. Now select everything. And take Shape Builder tool, and draw like that. Okay, that's good. Now move the design. And turn off the stroke color. Now make the logo colorful. Properly use the gradient color. Now write your logo name. Okay, finally I have designed the logo. For uploading MasterBundles, the image's size need 1100 pixel into 1100 pixel. Now presentation your logo beautiful as much as possible. I just save the logo JPEG, and AI. After completing logo design. Now time to upload it MasterBundles. Carefully fill up the every requirements that MasterBundles want for your design. First give a relevant title for your design. Then do other things step by step. After completing everything, published it MasterBundles. Okay, that's good. Your design is uploaded at MasterBundles. After reviewing your design, MasterBundles Authority approved your design on their websites. If you feel that you need some information or support, you can directly contact MasterBundles over phone and email. They will respond to you as soon as possible. I suggested this website for those who have been trying for a long time to earn passive income. This website is very grateful to the beginners and intermediate level designers. Thank you.